Hi parents and guardians. This video is to help you navigate my web page so that you can keep up to date with what is happening in the class. So to access my website, go to the internet and type the following web page: www.tinyurl.com/Marino 203. The tiny URL is a way to take a longer website and make it a little bit smaller. Notice that the web page has changed, but it's just a way to make it a little bit easier to navigate. So here's my website. It has Welcome to Mrs. Marino's webpage. It has my location in the high school, my email address, and my phone with extension so that you can contact me at any time. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can also send a message right there in the middle. Please make sure to include your email address so that I can respond, but you can also contact me directly through there. On the right-hand side, there is a link to the Ole Valley School District website, and on the left-hand side is a countdown to the last day of school. There's a little bit about me listed there, and then also my schedule, and along with what I have going on during links periods. So that way anyone can find me at any time. Each class has a link, and there's also some at the top of the page. But there's also a section here for parents, so we'll start by going there. The parents page has a brief recap of everything that occurs in a traditional day in school, the way the class period goes, what you can find on my website, information about extra help tutoring available, how to access eSchool, and again, how to contact me. The most important part, though, is this course websites, which are listed at the top. So we'll look at Algebra 2 CP. If you click on there, it has a drop down of the different chapters that we cover. But you can also just go to the Algebra 2 CP main page. When you go to the main page, it has the course at the top. It has access and information on how to use the online textbook. There's a link right there for the syllabus for the course. And then there's a calendar where all the important dates will be listed. Obviously, there's none in July, but if we move to August, we have the first day of school, when we have no school, homework, quizzes, tests that will all be entered in here throughout the year. Then there are pages for each individual chapter that we cover as well. We'll start with Chapter 1. These are clickable links that take you to more information. When you click on Chapter 1, it gives you the PowerPoint notes that we'll be covering in class. That way, if your child is interested, they can print these out in advance and bring them with them to class so that they have less to write, and or they can use them on their laptop to have a little bit closer view of what will be presented on the smartboard. There's also reviews for chapter quizzes and tests. They will receive those in class, but they can access them here so that they can work ahead if they'd like. As soon as you click on one, it becomes a document for them to see. And then I also post the answers to reviews. That way your child can work on them at home and then check their work with my answer key. I just scan a copy of it and have it there for them to access. And then each chapter that we cover will have more information uploaded. So that pretty much is a quick overview of everything on my webpage. If you have any additional questions or concerns throughout the year, please don't hesitate to contact me, and my information can be found at the top of the webpage, or you can send me an email through the bottom of the webpage as well. Thanks, and I hope we have a great year.